This presentation is called Division with Racks and Tubes, Exercise 3, Calculating and Recording What Has Been Used Up and What Remains. Let's begin. Today we're going to do the same problem as in the last video, and we're going to do it a little bit differently. So we're going to take the problem 7,000, which is in my cups. Remember to double check and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,875. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I double checked. And we're going to divide it by 32. We're going to share 7,875 with 32. All right, let's begin. Thousands go to my highest board, hundreds go next. Here we go. Let's share out. Okay. How many were under each unit skittle? Yep, 200. So just like before, I put a 2 above my hundreds. And this time, we're going to ask how much was used up on the board. Okay, so we used up 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000s. So I'm going to put a 6 under my thousands and 400s, like that. Okay, and now I'm going to subtract what was left. Okay, so 8 take away 4 is 4, and 7 take away 6 is 1. And let's make sure. I should have 1,000 in this cup, and I do, and 400s in this cup, and I do. All right, so now we can clear, dump, shift. So let's clear. Dump and shift. Shift. Now I just brought down, or brought up, I guess, I brought down 7 tens. So in my problem, I'm going to bring down the 7 tens, like that. And there's 7 tens in that cup. I need to do my exchanging. There's 1,000 in my hundreds cup. We know 1,000 is the same as 10 tens. So let's do that. Exchanging. 1,000 is the same as 10 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Always count. All right, let's share out. Oh, I can't go anymore, so I need to borrow one of these hundreds. 100 is the same as 10 tens. So let's exchange. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Always count. And 1. I cannot go anymore. So how many are under each unit skittle? 4 tens. So I write that down, 4 above my tens. And now we're going to write down how much we used up. So we used up 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 10 hundreds. So I'm going to stop right there. 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. So I'm going to write a 1 in my thousands. Okay, 1,000. And then 100, 200. All right, so I used up 2 extra hundreds. So I'm going to put a 2 right there. And how many tens? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 tens. So I'm going to put an 8 underneath. All right, now I need to subtract. Okay. And we do this just like we've done with subtraction with Stamp Game and all the other works we've done. We cannot take 8 from 7. So I'm just going to do this because I know you all know how to do this, okay? 17 take away 8 is 9. 3 take away 2 is 1. And let's look. Do I have 100? Yes. So we're looking for 109 tens in my cup. And 9 tens. Yep. Okay, so now we clear, dump, shift. Clear. Dump, shift. Okay, so there is 100 in my cup, so I need to exchange. 100 is the same as 10 tens. Always count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. And I shifted, I brought over 5 units. So like before, I'm going to kind of draw my little arrow down and I'm going to write 5. Okay. Here we go. Let's continue. Hopefully I can go down 6. We'll see. Might need to borrow. Yep, I need to borrow. 110 is the same as 10 units. Always count 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I got to have 10 in there. Okay, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good. All right. Let's keep sharing out. Okay, I can't go anymore. I do have 3 left, but I can't go anymore because there's 6 here. So now I have to write what I used up, okay? So here we go. Let's write what we used up. I like to start with my units. I think before I start with my tens, I'm sorry. Let's make sure that we're starting with our units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have to remember there's a 10 over here. Sometimes when that happens, I like to just add a little unit or a little 10 over here to remember that. Okay, 10, 1, 2. Okay, so 10, 11, 12, so there was 12 units. We know 12 units is the same as 110 and 2 units. So I'm gonna write a 2. Can you guys see my paper? No, okay. 2 in my units, and then we brought 1 extra up into that tens, okay? So if you want, you can put 1 on the board like I did there. And then we'll continue. All right, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 190 is what was used up on the board. So I'm going to write 190, 100 in the hundreds. See how it's all lined up, and 90 in my tens, and then 2 in my units, okay? All right. And then we take that away. 5 take away 2 is 3. And how many did we use up on our board? 6. So we have the same answer as before because it's the same problem. 246. Oh, you can't see it. 246, remainder 3. Okay, so then we would clear, dump, shift, and our problem would be done. Because there's nothing after those units, we put that as our remainder. Okay, sometimes I like to draw like a little line right there to know that there's nothing left after that. Okay, all right. Have fun doing this.